I have 225 properties. I totaled every single one of them up. It's over 700,000 metacoins. Things are changing. What do I do? Do I sell it all? Is it time to sell and buy? I know things are changing. What do you think I should do? Should I sell? Should I sell all my properties? Oh my God, I need to think about this. You know, I think I'm gonna sell all my properties. Maybe I shouldn't. NFTs are coming, but I got great property in Grand Central. What if they turn the Metacoin into an NFT? But I have so many penthouses. This ain't working. What if they turn the Metacoin into an NFT? I bought on the first day. What is going on? Cryonic Circus, yeah, I'm in there. My most expensive property? Over 61,000. Maybe I shouldn't. You know, in times like these, it's always good to reach out for some advice. You guys. Yeah? This is serious. I have a problem. Yeah? I need to know what to do, and that's why we're here. I have 700,000 metacoins in property in the Infiniverse.
Oh my God. You have a problem.
Do I sell? Do I hold? Do I sell? What's the future? What's gonna happen here in the metaverse? Over 61,000.
What if NFTs come? Mermaids.
Sell.
No.
Sell now and go buy some more penthouses.
Don't sell. Not unless you sell it to me.
I'll sell and buy some more penthouses. I really would.
No. There's lots of NFTs coming. Don't sell.
So I just need time to think. Fuck it, I'm selling. All right, let's do this. That's all I can do. I can't sell no more. That was over 250,000 coins. So in real money, that's like $2,500. So what's going on now? And I hope these developers are paying attention. People got a little upset the last time we were chasing mermaids and the Sphinx and the boat, and people were buying in and the clock was wrong and people were selling before people up top were being able to sell. People lost some coins. I lost some coins. Things are changing. I hope they're paying attention. Devs better be paying attention. Pump and dump is gone. There's a new trend, and I'm gonna let 420 explain it.
Attention Infiniverse. We are no longer pumping and dumping properties. It's all about building communities. They made a couple changes. We're no longer able to hold buildings for more than 60 seconds. We're no longer buying unicorns, mermaids, sphinx. We're going in for community building. Find some friends, find some neighbors, build up an area, make it your own. Dedicate yourself to never selling it until it's a time where it's worth it for everyone. That's the new trend. You heard it here first.
Communities. That's what's going on. If you notice, there's a new mental health community by Eugene. Check it out. There's the LGBTQ community, the Black Wall Street community, you have an art district, you got a music district, and then hit me, Nick, and Beam up for the OG district. If you remember way back, week 1, people popped in, what is this place? Week 2, buy. Week 3, look what I can do. Building stuff with all the pictures they pulled out of their wrist. And then week 4, people started realizing multiverses can connect. Look at all the rooms I've done. You've seen them all. Jump in there and check it out. Week 5 and 6, oh my gosh, chase the property. We were chasing dinosaurs. We chased a sphinx. We chased a boat. And then we chased some mermaids and everybody got upset. And now it's on to communities. So here's the question. I have over 250,000 coins sitting in my spot. What community would you like me to invest in? Let me know in the comments where you want me to invest. I want to invest in a community. But where? Let me know. Where do I spend all this money? Where do I put it now? You gotta help me out.